This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off notifications in the Google Chrome web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Google Chrome web browser opened up now. To toggle on or off notifications in the Chrome web browser, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner to where you see the 3-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down toward the bottom to Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Privacy and Security. In the center pane, toward the very bottom, you want to click on Site Settings. Site Settings. Then you'll scroll down to where you see the Permissions area, and right in here, Notifications. You want to click on Notifications. And right up here toward the top, Default Behavior, it gives you 3 different choices. The top one, sites can ask to send you notifications. If you toggle that one on, websites will be able to ask to send you notifications. The middle one, use quieter messaging. That means some websites will send you notifications, some won't. The bottom one, don't allow sites to send notifications. If you toggle on the bottom one, websites cannot ask to send you notifications. That is how to toggle on or off notifications in the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching.